Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect your WooCommerce and PayPal. So once you have your WooCommerce running, it's time to install a PayPal payment plugin in your store. So to do that, just go to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins in the left sidebar and click add new and type WooCommerce PayPal payments in the search bar. So from here, you just have to go to the plugins from the side and then tap on add new. So you will just see it in here and then type in WooCommerce PayPal payments in here and then just install now, and then once installed, click on activate to activate the plugin. Then navigate to the WooCommerce, tap on the settings, and then go to payments. Then just click on the toggle button to enable PayPal. So from here, just go to WooCommerce, then tap on settings, and then go to payments right here, and then just toggle this on. Now, to configure PayPal settings, when you click the PayPal toggle button, a new tab will appear on your screen, prompting you to activate PayPal. So check the securely accept box to ensure secure transactions. So from here, just have to activate PayPal and then select the options that you want for your PayPal integration. So scroll down and click on the test payment with PayPal sandbox to test your setup. So from here, tap on this one, test payment with PayPal sandbox. So you will need a PayPal sandbox email, account, and password to connect to your PayPal. So just a note, if you don't have a sandbox account, move to this part to create one. So if you already have one, then go to the PayPal sandbox accounts and click on sandbox test accounts. So just open it and then tap on next. Click on view or edit account to check your email and password in here. And then copy your sandbox email ID and system generated password. And then go back to the WooCommerce PayPal payments settings and paste your details. So from here, just go back to your PayPal and then click on agree and connect to connect your PayPal account. So tap on this one. And then once the setup process is complete, you will see a message that you have successfully configured PayPal for your WooCommerce store. So here is the text message. So you can go back to your WooCommerce store and check the payment section to see if your store is connected with PayPal Sandbox account. So from this section, you can set your PayPal settings like PayPal standard, payment settings, customize your appearance of PayPal checkout, display pay later messaging, and more. From here, you can edit more. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!